in today's exciting lecture, we will see evolution from traditional AI to agentic AI. So in this document, we will outline the evolution of artificial intelligence from traditional forms to the more advanced form that is known as agentic AI, which is a matter of discussion today. It explores the key development, methodology, and implication of this transition. We will provide insight into how AI can transform from rule-based system to autonomous agentic AI system. Okay, so in this image, you can see that first of all, traditional AI, after that machine learning, after that agentic AI. This is the evolution of AI. So traditional AI is what? It's rule-based system with limited adaptability. And what is machine learning? Data-driven learning and adoption. So in machine learning, we train our model with help of data, and after that we expect some prediction from those model. So like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, there are some types of machine learning. And what is agentic AI? It's autonomous agent capable of decision making. That's why agentic AI is useful in many ways, because it can take decision. Whatever command you will give it to the agentic AI chatbots, it will follow your command and it will provide a result to you. Okay, it can do a task for you, like reservation related task. Okay, like hotel booking related task, flight ticket booking related task. And recently Google has launched its agent to agent protocol, in which multiple agents can communicate with each other, and they can do lots of tasks in one go. And there is very less human interaction is required in multiple tasks when we are using agent to agent protocol. Okay, so let's forward with the introduction to the traditional AI. What is traditional AI? So traditional AI often referred as narrow AI. It's encompass system designed to perform specific tasks using predefined rule algorithm. Okay, so it's like rule based system, and this system heavily rely on structured data and limited in their ability to adopt the new situation. Okay, so like expert system which can utilize set of rules to make decision in fields of medical diagnostic or financial forecasting. So what is key characteristics of traditional AI? So first characteristic is it is rule based system. It's operate on a fixed set of rules and logics. The second one is task specific. It's designed for a specific application lacking generalization capability. Okay, this is traditional AI. And the most important dependency is it's require large amount of structured data for training operation. We have to pre-process our data, we have to scale our data, we have to standardize our data. So it's take lots of time and lots of resources to perform the data pre-processing. So rule-based system is highly dependent on data. It's also fixed on set of rules. And a task-specific AI is specific application focused and limited generalization. How the data dependency work for this system. Now, after rule-based system, we will move towards machine learning, in which we train our model with help of our huge amount of data, and our model will try to predict new outcome with on behalf of the training. So the machine learning model marked a significant shift in the AI development. Rather than relying solely on predefined rules, we have overcome the predefined rule-based system. And machine learning algorithm enable system to learn from data and improve their performance over time, because we have to train our machine learning model time by time. As we get new data, we have to train our model with new data as well. So what is the key development in machine learning? So key development in machine learning is first one is supervised learning. In supervised learning, we use label data to train our model, and there are certain type of algorithm that learn from label data set to make the prediction. So basically in supervised learning, we deal with label data, and with help of those label data, we try to train our model for such type of prediction. And what is unsupervised learning? So system identify pattern in unlabeled data, enabling clustering and association. In unsupervised learning, we get unlabeled data, And using various clustering technique, we try to create the cluster of the data, the group of the data, using techniques like k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and principal component analysis. We try to find the hidden information from the data and further dimensional detection. And the third type of machine learning is reinforcement learning. So in this learning, agent learn optimal behavior through the trial and error. Means agent learn from the environment. So in this image, you can see that supervised learning, prediction from labeled data, unsupervised learning, pattern identification in unlabeled data, and in reinforcement learning, optimal behavior through trial and error. So agent itself learn from environment, and based on reward and penalty, it can take the best decision. How the agentic AI is emerging nowadays? What is the need of agentic AI? We have read rule-based AI, we have studied about machine learning. Now it's time to explore the agentic AI. So agentic AI represent a further evolution characterized by autonomous agent that can make decisions. So decision making is the important task which is done by agentic AI. Okay, in machine learning, either in generative AI, either in discriminative AI, we can't say our agent will take decision, but in agentic AI, agent can take the decision. There are some regions and act independently in dynamic environment. So agentic AI agents are free to take the decision, and they are independent in dynamic environments. These systems are designed to understand the context, adapt to new information, and interact with humans and other agents effectively. Google has recently developed its agent to agent protocol so that one agent can communicate with multiple agents, and those agents can communicate with each other for strong decision making process. So what is the key features of agentic AI? So first feature is autonomy. What is autonomy? Autonomy make the agentic AI agent capable to take decision without human intervention. When we are using agentic AI, then no human interaction is required, or less human interaction is required, because it has ability to take the decision. The second feature of agentic AI is context awareness. It understand and respond to the environment and situational changes. The third one is learning and adoption. Continuously improve performance based on experience and interaction. It keep on learning with its experience. So we don't need to provide it data for the learning process, as we used to provide huge amount of data to machine learning model to predict certain kinds of things. That's we need no need to do in agentic AI, because agentic AI has self decision making power and less human interaction is required, and it can keep on learning with the time. This is the pictorial representation of agentic AI, key feature of agentic AI. You can see here. Now we will see implication of agentic AI. What are the implication in agentic AI? The rise of agentic AI brings both opportunity and challenges. How? On one end, this system can enhance productivity, improve decision making, and create new application across various industry. And on another hand, ethical consideration, accountability, and potential for unintended consequences must be addressed. So the risk of cybersecurity attacks are also identified, enhancing efficiency by automating the complex task. Personalization, tailoring experiences and services to individual needs. Innovation, so enabling new solution in healthcare, finance, transport, and many more area like education as well, and entertainment as well. So transforming industry through agentic AI, we will see some ethical challenges over there. There are three type of concern, like ethical concern, job displacement, and security risk. What we will see in ethical concern: fairness in AI decision and transparency in AI process. It can ensure the fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI decision. If we will talk about the job displacement, addressing the impact on employment as automation increase. Now, the third one is security risk, protecting against misuse and ensuring robust system. This is third type of challenge with the agentic AI. As conclusion, we can see that the evolution from traditional AI to agentic AI represent the significant leap in capabilities and application of artificial intelligence. As we continue to develop this advanced system, it is crucial to balance innovation with its ethical consideration to harness the full potential of AI while mitigating the risk. The future of AI holds immense promise, and understanding this evolution is key navigating the challenge and opportunity ahead. Hope you have get a better understanding of evolution of agentic AI from rule-based system, how rule-based system was working, how machine learning was working, and how agentic AI was working, and what are the pros and cons of agentic AI we have seen in today's lecture. So keep learning and keep exploring and keep learning machine learning and deep learning. We will see you soon in the next lecture.